Estamos ya en directo.
Perfecto.
Hola. Hello, everybody.
Hello, my name is Billy.
Oh my God, this is kind of crazy. So, good morning, everybody, or good afternoon. This is Fran. Welcome to our Sunday cooking class. And today, I am not with Ainhoa. I am with Ainhoa's aunt,
Yes.
who doesn't speak any English at all. Do you speak English? ¿Hablas inglés or no?
No.
No English.
No
Hey, hi
English.
James, how are you?
I'm pretty.
En petit, that's French. So hi Lita, good afternoon. So how come I'm with my mother-in-law? The thing is that Ainhoa, she is meeting our daughter in Seville. She is returning from Poland after 5 months, something like that. So they're gonna have a girls' weekend in Seville. And today we were going to cook AJOBLANCO, which is a cold soup. And we're gonna be using her recipe, so might as well. Yes. Hola, Jorge. So might as well come and take it from the sources. So her name is Pili, P-I-L-I. Hola, Fran. How exciting! Your daughter is coming home. Yes. Hi, Jill. Yes, she's finally come home, which is super cool. I'm super happy. After, well, the last time I saw her in person was in March, and we are in July. Marzo, abril, mayo, junio, 4 meses sin ver a Fi. 4 months without seeing her granddaughter.
Yes.
So yes, it's super good. So, shall we start? ¿Empezamos? Yes. Okay. So let me show you. Well, this is my in-laws' house. So let me show you. This is my in-laws' house. Okay. So let's stop. Eek. Okay. So what is it? So today we're gonna be cooking AJOBLANCO. It's a very, very basic cold soup that we just need almonds, bread. By the way, it has to be dry bread. This is bread from 2 days ago. Hi Jill, my daughter is at sea on HM Queen Elizabeth. Whoa, 8 meses, 8 months and a half. Whoa. So you know how I feel. I want to see my baby. Okay, so we have the almonds, we have the bread, we have water, we have got a little bit of vinegar, olive oil, garlic, because that's why it's called AJOBLANCO. We're not using a lot of garlic because this garlic is super powerful, okay? And then for decoration, to present this soup, we are going to be putting some grapes, seedless grapes. That's one of the things we're going to be doing. Besides that, we're going to do one of my father's-in-law favorite summer, I don't know, appetizer, whatever. So what we do is we get some olives, okay? These ones are boneless olives. And we have some martini rosso. And what we're gonna do is we're going to caramelize the martini rosso. Okay, so, ¿has encendido el esto? There we go. My mother. Okay, so, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the martini in a temperature about 5 out of 9, okay? Tiene 9, ¿no? Esta de potencia. So we have 5 out of 9, and it's going to be boiling there for about 10 minutes, more or less, okay? What we want is to get the alcohol out of the, out of the martini. We want the flavor and the sweetness. I'm back. I just got my apron, by the way. My mother-in-law, she's a seamstress. And she just did that. I was like, oh, I'm going to be there. I'm going to make one. I'm like, okay. So don't I look cute with my apron? Okay, es muy mono, el delantal.
Sí.
Very beautiful apron. Beautiful. Okay, so, Pili. Oh, before we start, hola. Déjame que les enseñe la pizarra. Okay, so what we have here are the measures of what we are going to be cooking. Okay. So we have raw almonds. We have 3.5 pounds, 3.5 pounds, ounces, of bread, not pounds, please. Dry bread, 2 ounces of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, salt, and 1.5 cups of water. The water, who knows, because it depends on how dry the vinegar, empezamos. How dry the bread is. Okay, so, yeah. So what we do is, we just have to blend everything together. Okay, so it's not a very difficult thing. It's a happy Sunday. Hi, Sanamuro. How are you? The hyper matches. Jorge, you're a bad person. Si no entra, ya está, suficiente. So the thing is that what this is, let's say, a previous gazpacho. Okay, everybody knows about what a gazpacho is all about. It's a cold tomato soup. The thing is that tomato arrived. Oh, hey, from Lisbon. That's right, you're in Lisbon. So the thing is that gazpacho is a tomato-based soup, okay? But tomato did not arrive. Then we put the vinegar to Europe until the 16th century, okay, 1500s. Remember that it comes from America. So although we say, there we go, now it goes the olive oil, all the olive oil in, and we start blending it. Yay! The garlic, one little piece of garlic. There we go. So the thing is that this is a before that time type of plate, and a little bit of salt. That is to taste, okay? So it depends on how you like it. So now, sorry for the sound. There we go. Let's blend it in. Let's start with that. Sigue, sin parar, sin parar, sin parar, sin parar. Okay. And now we can put the rest of the bread. Right. Hola, lady. Okay, so now is the moment to start with the almonds. Okay, so we just put muchas más almonds. So sorry for the crazy noise, but ¿está ya o un poco más?
Un poco más.
A little bit more. Está un poco duro, les ponemos un poquito de agua. So, the thing is that the texture has to be hard, okay? So, what we're gonna do is, as this bread, espera un momentillo, para un poco el ruido, para un poquito el ruido, okay. So the thing is that, as you see, the texture, it's very, very thick. It has to be thick, but this is way too thick. What happens is that the bread, super good, was too dry. The almonds are raw. Okay, so let's add a little bit more of water. Perfecto. Okay, so give me that. Ya está. That's for me. Por aquí. Okay, so what we're gonna do now. So let's see. The chef has finished her recipe because that's all you need to do. It's super simple, super good. It's vegan. It's healthy. It's everything. The thing is that has to be cold. We recommend it to put nowadays on the fridge and serve it in about an hour or so. Okay, so it has to be super, super cold. But how do you present it, or how do we present it? Because really we love to eat ajo blanco in this family. It's like big time ajo blanco family. So, pones un poquillo. So we put a little bit into it. Ya, ahora el otro. le ponemos 3. So now we put 3 grapes on each one y lo cubrimos. Ahora todo. I think that one's for me.
¿Y ahora?
Hasta arriba. Hasta arriba. Y se cubran, ya está. Y ahora al otro,
La cocinera no.
ya está. Okay, and now what we do is we just, to present it, to make it look a little bit nice, what we do is we put it this way,
¿Te pongo un poco de aceite aquí?
this way, and this way. Tin, tin, tin. And so, no salt or pepper. We just put a little bit of salt, no pepper. Okay, we just don't like to put pepper on it because it's a very creamy, very flavorful dish, so it doesn't need any more than just salt. Okay, and what we do for a little bit of extra decoration, we have, by the way, my mother-in-law, she was a nurse, so all of these little thingies she loves. So we put a couple of drops there. That's to make it look a little bit nice. Tink. So yes, everything is raw. So the thing is that I was telling you that, okay, so now these two are ready to be eaten. That's all you need to do. Super good, super fast, and not too expensive, okay? So the history about it. Hey, tour guide has to have some history. Let me be with my mother-in-law. Hello. So the history is that this is a America discovery, okay? It's a cold soup done in the south of Spain by the Arabs, okay? When the Muslims came in the 7-Eleven, they used what they had. And there was just almonds, olive oil, dry bread. They mixed it all together and they made this AJOBLANCO, okay? And obviously garlic. So it's a very simple, muy sencillo.
Que lo pongo fresco.
And she's saying, put it in the fridge, put it in the fridge. She has already told me, whispered to my ear like 3 times, put it in the fridge. So yes, that goes into the fridge. So that is done. And now what we're gonna do is we are going to prepare my father-in-law's favorite olives, okay? So what we have is already the martini, the red martini. It has reduced, if you could smell it. Now it's all the alcohol is gone. Lo pones en el bol. ¿Te lo llevas tú o? Yes. Okay. So you take it. Pasa por delante. Uy. And what we do is very simple. We just put 1 glass of martini that we have taken all the alcohol out of it. Okay. We put un generoso chorro. Okay, a generous drop, and then a little bit, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Okay, oops, that's it. Okay, you're more refined than I am. Que fina es la mapi. Okay, and now you just emulsionate it, you just whisk it a little bit. So the thing is that now it's more or less okay, but as time passes, like if you do this in the morning and you serve them in the afternoon, the good thing about this is that this martini sauce, it will thicken up a little bit, and it will get, all the caramel, all the sugar from the martini is still there, so it's sweet, but you get the flavors of the olive, it's the flavor of the olive oil, and then the sweetness of the extra sweetness of the sugar. So it's super, super, super good. Okay, so really it looks kind of strange like martini. We all love, the olive in the martini. So this is children proofed, and that's it. So look, te cojo eso, suficiente, because all the alcohol, it's gone. So you just put the olives inside of it, y lo remueves un poquillo, we'll stir it a little bit. And in about half an hour, these 2 dishes are done. So, guess what? We are done. This has been the fastest cooking class ever. And we've done 2 little fast appetizers that are amazing. We've done ajo blanco, okay? And as you can see, it's super easy, healthy, good. And then the not so healthy olives with martini, which are really, really good. Give them a try. It's these 2 dishes, or these 2, we can say even tapas, are easy to have them because both of them you eat them cold. Te las tomas muy frías.
Fresquitas.
They're fresh. So it comes to be very, very good. You can stick them in the fridge, and if you have suddenly somebody great vermouth time with the tap, there we go, Pedro Campo. It's good, perfect for the vermouth. So yes, it's perfect. If somebody shows up at home and you have this in the fridge, it's a hit. Everybody loves the martini olives. It's an aperitivo. We call it aperitif. And then the ajo blanco.
Aperitif.
This ajo blanco that you see here, okay, this is a lot because it's just almonds and it's bread. So it's like you eat this and this could be like a starter on a meal. So what we do normally is do like little shots. When somebody comes and you have ajo blanco and you want to put them as a tapa. Oh, you had this soup in Malaga? Perfect, Shelly. I hope you like it. If you try it, give it a try and let us know how it goes, okay? If you liked it. Really, everybody likes this type of things because are easy munchies and good. And olives, yes, Shelly, they are healthy. They are so good. So what else? That's it. Estamos.
Perfecto. Que lo prueben y que les gustará. Y si les parece que tienen mucho ajo, que la siguiente vez un poquito menos.
Okay, to say that you should give it a try. Hopefully you will enjoy them. And the garlic, the amount of garlic, it's what makes it special. Okay, so first time, just put 1 clove if you like a little bit more. It is one of those things. For your information, very typical dish from Malaga. Yes, from the south of Spain. If you've been following Jorge, he's been in Malaga, in his hometown. He's from Malaga. And he loves ajo blanco. Okay? So what else? Well, my friends, that's all for today. You know that all of these tours and fast cooking classes are tip supported, so you have our TPR in there. So thank you for sharing your tips with all of us. What else? On Tuesday, a lot of people have seen Enrique Steve's Basque tour presentation with him, and I've got a lot of questions of people asking, what are the men's clubs? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to a men's club on Tuesday, but I still don't know how I'm gonna do it because normally I do it at this time, but at this time it's gonna be July 13th, and it is, although we don't have the week of the running of the bulls, there's going to be something going on down there, so probably I have to do it in the morning and then I will post it in the afternoon. So I don't know how I'm going to deal with that, but I'm going to be talking about men's clubs, okay? Basque men's clubs, sociedades gastronómicas. It's all about good food, good singing, and good friends. So that will be on Tuesday, and next Sunday we're going to be preparing some salads. It's too hot in Spain. By the way, we just got a heat wave here in Spain coming from Africa, from the Sahara Desert, so it's horribly hot, but we enjoyed it. So, our friends, Mappy, thank you very, very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I love her not
Por
English.
habernos escuchado.
¿Cuántos años llevas aprendiendo inglés? I just asked her, how many years have you been learning English? That's her answer. Now she's gonna smack me in the head.
Pero ahora tengo el traductor que me hace.
Yes, I'll say hello to Ainhoa and to our daughter, Jiggle. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Sunday, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.
See you later.